Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Discord account if you are forgetting your old password. So first you open your browser or your application and you access to your account. After that, as you can see here, when you click on user settings and you go to the section my account, you scroll down and you will find the option change password. When you click that, as you can see, it requires you to put the current password, and if you forget this, no problem. So what we can do, we close the settings and we go and click on your profile icon. Then you will find the option switch accounts. You click there and you click on manage accounts. Then you click on add an account. You click here and here you just enter the phone number or the email of your account that you forget your password. You just click on forget your password and they will send you a link to reset your password in your inbox. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.